Hello all, you're watching me on Speak English Academy and my name is Nasrin. In today's video, we are going to learn the uses of the, T-H-E, the. So before moving into the video, please subscribe to my channel because it motivates me to do more videos. Okay, so now let's move into the video. Many English learners have trouble deciding when to use the or when to not use the. Okay, so I know it can be a little bit confusing, but I believe that by the end of this lesson, you're going to find much easier. Okay, so let's start with a little quiz first. So to see where you stand regarding the word the. So let's look at this first example. Should you say life is beautiful or the life is beautiful? So think about it. Another one, friendship is precious or the friendship is precious. So which one is right? Think for yourself. Well, do one more and then I'll give you the answers. So happiness is important or the happiness is important. Which one is correct? Do you know? Then how do you know? So how do you decide which one is right? I'll tell you. So when you're talking about something which is general concept or idea, then we do not use the. For example, let's take the first one. Life is beautiful. So now life is a general concept. So we do not need the here. So life is beautiful is the correct answer. Because it's a general idea and a general concept. So we are not talking about anything specific. If we say the life of wise people is beautiful, then that is something specific and then we would be correct to say the life. Okay. But if we are just talking in general, then no the. So let's look at the next example. Friendship is precious. Again, friendship is a general idea or a general concept. So this is correct. In this example, friendship is precious is correct. For example, the friendship between those two persons is precious. Then that would be fine because now I am specifying which friendship, right? The friendship between those two children. So then it becomes specific and then we would use the. Next one, happiness is important. So by now, you know again, happiness is a general idea, a general concept. So happiness is important is correct. So it would be wrong to say the happiness because the happiness of what? So if we say the happiness of family is important, that's fine. So that's very good. That would be a perfect sentence. But in this case, we cannot say the happiness is important because we did not specify which happiness. Okay. So in this case, that's wrong and happiness is important is the correct one. So now the same principle applies to these. So see, if you can figure it out. Okay. So I want to make money or I want to make the money. Which one do you think is right? Are we speaking in general or are we speaking specifically? Well, we are speaking in general right now. So I want to make money. So this is correct because we did not say which money. I want to make money, right? General idea. So if I said, for example, I want to make the money, I need to pay my rent. So that's specific. So then I could say the money because I am explaining after that which money. Okay. But I want to make money. In this example, I am not specifying any particular thing. So we should not use the here. So the next one, she wants to lose weight or she wants to lose the weight. Is it general or is it specific? What do you think? It's still general. Good. So by now you are getting really smart. She wants to lose weight is a general term, right? We are just talking about the weight in general, not any specific weight. But if I say she wants to lose the weight she put on during the holidays, so that's specific. And then we need the. So but she wants to lose weight in this example, we don't need the. So last one here, he needs to earn respect. Or do we say he needs to earn the respect? Is it general or is it specific? It's general. So we are talking about respect in general. So here is no need of using the. So if it was a specific, then we could say the. So if it is not specific, there is no need of saying the. Thanks for watching my video. Follow my YouTube channel Speak English Academy for more videos. For more updates, follow me in my Instagram page. Thank you.